What is up, everybody? What is going on? Everybody that's live, right, or currently, tap in where y'all from. Tap in where y'all from. I want to see how active our chat room is today on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hold on, I gotta include a photo in here. Ha ha ha. I am funny. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody that's tapped in. Well, y'all tapping in South Africa, Germany, Florida, Canada, Ghana, Italy, Texas, Dallas. What's good, Sway? Y'all see my turkey? I'm trying to we got the turkey today, cause it's getting lit today. Here we go. Dubai, Alabama, India, Romania. I see we got a couple people tapped in. Good morning, Michelle. So you guys see that hold on, let me change something because we have 000 for today. But I did call out a GJ trade in the VIP. So for those that's tapped in, y'all know we in it right now. And you guys see that today is gonna be a little different because it is a holiday in the United States. So I'm not really focused on any USD pairs. Gold not happening because it's not happening. Dollar, of course, you guys know it's consolidating because of the holiday. But what I am really interested in is the Euro Yen, Euro CAD, AUD CAD, and GBP Yen as well. And anything else that comes up to my mind as we are live. Anything else that comes up to my mind while we're live. All right, y'all, hold on. We're going to tap into some hold on, y'all. All right, so I don't know why it's taking forever. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, guys. So anyway, if y'all tapped in, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button, of course. And let's have a happy trading day for those that's trading today. Are you in GJ? Yes, I am currently in GJ as we speak. This is a trade that I am currently in. It is taking its time to go if it wants to go, but I'm in it. Right, I'm in it, and we're gonna see what we get from this. Hello, Solo. Hey, what's going on? We talked about this trade yesterday. I was saying that I would wanted to tap in here, in this whole liquidity pool, all of this here, right? And then from here, I want to see a break out, which we just did. We tapped into a range. If we scale in, we tapped into a range, and now I'm looking for a price to shoot up. I'm looking for a price to shoot up. All right, so with Euro Yen, right? On a daily scale, I don't even really trade euro yen, but yeah, we definitely gonna get something going. So with euro yen, it is going up. I mean, we all see that it's going up, right? We see that we did tap into an extreme. We have a range. Sorry, this is our extreme. Our midpoint will actually be in somewhere here. We got to scale down to see it. But if we go and look at it in a higher perspective, you guys see that this is considered our midpoint. All of this right here, right? So we tapped into it very well. And then, like I said earlier, this is our midpoint. If we scale down, we kind of see it, right? We kind of see that play of action there. The only concern that I got with euro is that I don't see much of consolidation or much of a breakout. I do see that we have a liquidity pool that is all resting up here, and we got to take that out, right? We got to take that out. Even if we got to take that out. So it's a matter of seeing what we got going on for this one. But hands down, we got to take that liquidity out. We got to, you know what I'm saying? So I want to see what euro yen does. I don't really I never actually trade euro yen. Oh, I lied. I haven't traded euro yen in a long time, right? So I gotta kind of see what euro's doing, and then also yen. Let's actually look at yen real fast. Okay, so yen is strong up. That's good. And then British pound is also heading up too. So this is quite interesting to see what is going to go on with this, because we just tapped into this POI level. This is going to be interesting to see what is going to happen with our yen pair. We are heading up though. Wait, no, this is the wrong one. So yeah, otherwise, if we start looking at this on a higher scale, it ain't really it's no structure. It's like no structure at all. You know what I'm saying? What's the difference between a POI level and a liquidity level? Nothing at all. It's all the same. But anyway, what I was saying is, well, you know what? Let me not say it's all the same. Let me not say that. Because what this is right here is all liquidity, right? But if you also want to look at it in a higher scale, this is also, this whole box right here, what I highlight is also a POI level. So liquidity is where money is resting. Like when you see a bunch of equal highs, equal lows, that's where liquidity rests. Bro, what's up? When is the course going on Black Friday? It's going on Black Friday sale tonight. Everything as far as the signals, we're just going to be doing I think the signals though in the course, in the courses. So I mean that's pretty much all of it. But yeah guys, anyway, with euro yen, I don't really see structure yet. I need to see structure. You know what I'm saying? So once I see that, we might be in for a win with this one. But GJ hitting up though. GJ is definitely hitting up. I need everybody to do me a favor, man. It's a holiday. We gotta tap them likes. I know later on y'all finna be smashing y'all plate, so I'm gonna need y'all to smash that like button for the one time. I need all y'all to go ahead and smash that like button. I didn't know you could trade on holidays. Of course, yeah. You could definitely trade on holidays. Support and resistance could also be seen as liquidity. It's anytime you see an equal low, equal high, known as a double bottom, double top, triple top, triple bottoms. Every time you see those, that's liquidity resting there. Let's get this up. We need that 100 likes. 100 likes, y'all. We only got 76. but we got 200 people on here. That ain't making no sense. Like, what? I'm currently in GJ right now for a buy. And yeah, that's what it is. Currently in GJ for a buy. And if you ask me, should you enter in? It's too late. You gotta wait for pullback. Stop riding price while it's already up. You gotta wait on a pullback. I'm pretty sure price will pull back from these highs. So yeah, everybody likes to buy when price is already 90% in their favor, and then get mad when they get in a trade because a lot of people don't have patience. Trading is not about skills, and I say this every fucking time we stream. Somebody said they were in gold. I can't trade gold right now. Nothing's happening with gold. It's been doing this since yesterday. Do you get liquidity from the wicks or the body? Both, because the wicks is still a body candle on a smaller scale. All right, we still ain't really talked about. Did we talk about this one? Yeah, we did. I will tell you guys this. Momentum is telling me that for some odd reason, right? There's a lot of how can I put it? There's a lot of neglect with dollar or with euro yen trying to remain like for selling power off of this area here from I would say roughly where price is at now. So it's like we have too much going on here, right? Even if we look left, of course, you guys see that there's a lot of liquidity on top of that. Not really liquidity, but this is just some type of zone level that is being restricted. If we look further out, you guys see, look at that. It's a popular zone level. So that being said, notice how I talk about this a lot to a lot of my bootcamp students I teach, right? And also in my VIP as well, where we touch on how momentum is the key to knowing when to enter. I'm gonna say that again because I just went over 90% of y'all shoulders. Momentum is the key for entries. Before I continue though, I'm gonna need to make sure I see some momentum on my like button or on my likes. We still got 95. We ain't even tap 100. Y'all coming on here, but y'all not liking it. Gotta get the likes up. That's the only way I stay motivated to continue to do these streams. You know, let's get this damn thing out of my way. All right, so like what I was saying, you can call it whatever y'all want. Golden zone, y'all can call it hitting zone, kill zone, T zone, E zone, B zone, T zone, way zone, turkey zone. All I'm looking at is momentum. Momentum is another reference of candlestick patterns. For instance, let me break this down for those that really wants to be very, smart about this. Who created candlestick patterns? They had to know how candles move or how momentum moves. So what I'm referring to is whoever invented the candlestick patterns, they had realized that, why is it every time I see market come down, spike down, but it doesn't close down? You know what? I'm going to just go ahead and name this because every time I see this type of reaction, it wants to go up. So I'm going to just go ahead and name this the hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, whatever, such and such. So all I'm saying is momentum is another reference of looking how aggressive the sellers are in right now or the buyers are in. So for instance, I talk about this all the time where I say that if you if you want to get in the market with a double bottom, double top, triple bottom, triple tops, right? you have to wait on that to actually come to a key level. A lot of people trade it all the time. Like every time they see a double top, double bottom, they instantly trade it. No, that's wrong. That's why 50% of the time it works, 50% of the time it doesn't. But would you rather have a higher percentage than not? Yes, I'm pretty sure you do. So we look for those type of reactions off of key levels. It can be a POI level, order block, supply, demand, all of that. Once we spot that, we start looking at momentum. Momentum is when you see more wicks at the bottom, less wicks at the top, or is when you see aggressive candles like an engulfing candle, or you just see something telling you the buyers are in the market. So if you guys look closely, what do we have here? We got a wick, 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 and we got another wick. So all of this right here is telling me that, all right, I think it's time for us to buy. I don't just buy just because it comes to a POI level or a level. I need to wait on momentum to tell me that it's time to get in. So on a 4-hour scale, if I wanted to trade this on a 4-hour, this wick right here proves to me cool, right? We got all of these wicks here too, but I want to see more wick rejection actually right here at this second, and then I'll be looking for those buys. So when you guys see me take trades all the time, sometimes I say I look for engulfing candles, but then y'all don't see me, or y'all don't see market creating engulfing candle, y'all still see I enter, and y'all still see the trade went in our favor. Why is that? Because I look at momentum, right? I always look at momentum before I enter in the market. I don't just enter in the market blindly. So right now, when I called out this trade, I was ready to call it out, but I didn't want to call out until I see buyer momentum. And right here is the candle that I needed to see. This candle was also one, but I missed out on that one. Yeah, so it is what it is, but we're gonna see what happens, because like I said, it's really all about momentum when it comes back to it. I'm also interested in this trade so much. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Is the pullback? Is it pulled back to enter? GJ? No. No, I'm not really trading any USD pairs because ain't nothing going on. We'll be waiting forever. So if we look here, we see that we broke up this high. On a 4-hour scale, we see we got too much going on for liquidity. Cool. There is liquidity being built up here also, as well as this is a key level too, so we got to pay attention to that. If we start tapping in on a 5-minute, notice right here, this is a point that I'm looking at to enter. So I kind of want to see what happens from here. Yeah, I didn't know there would be a trade today, but I'm not really trading any USD pairs. That's why. I'm waiting forever on Euro. This is my only USD trade for the day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. All them USD pairs is gonna be moving real slow. Y'all gonna be waiting forever for y'all trade to hit. GBP. Oh, thank you. That's what the pair I was looking. That was trying to remind myself. I used to trade that one all the time. Let me throw that in the list. Yeah, we gotta throw this one in the list because I used to trade this all the time. But let's see if there's anything going on though. Nah, I don't trade cat. Yeah, nah. Now we get into some weird pairs for me. I don't trade cat. Yeah, I used to trade. This would just be one of my favorite pairs. feel like, huh? I'm trying to read your message. You saying momentum is a problem you personally struggle with? Just say that, gang. I'm confused. Are you saying I struggle with that, or somebody you referring to somebody else? I'm very confused. All right, so yeah. Anyway, with GBP art, it's not really nothing going on right now that I see. It's still like little moves, subtle moves, but hey, it could. Let's see though. Yeah, guys, I don't know what's really going on with this one right now. Besides, obviously, we're going up though. We are going up. That's easy. It's just too much liquidity going all in here, which is kind of like, I don't know what level we can tap into. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Euro, nah, I don't trade that one either. I looked into it, but nah, I don't trade that one. Nope. Nope, not at all. When I talk about the way that I look at market and look for entries, I tell everyone my 3 confirmations is very simple. It's market structure, PA, and momentum. Those are like my 3 confirmations I look for. You know? So, yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to reread y'all comments because I'm just not looking at a lot of these. Trading is about skill. It's just not the only thing you need to succeed. Cheers, Solo. I appreciate it. GJ's on the way to my TP. Yeah, let's wait though. Recently it's do funded accounts. You okay? Yeah, we gonna build liquidity up at these highs. I'm already knowing. That's just how it always is. Like we building the liquidity up now. We probably gonna get a pullback, maybe back down to this area. Who knows? But let's see. Oh, we didn't even talk about all these other ones yet. Let's tap into these real fast. AltCAD. So AltCAD, it's going sideways down though. But we trying to break out of these highs, but I still look at it down, right? I still look at it down. Still gonna go down. Definitely still gonna go down. It's just a matter of what zone are we gonna respect, because if y'all look closely, we got a lot of zone levels from here. We already passed this one, and we got this one up here. So I'm gonna take CAD out, AltCAD, because I ain't interested right now. Somebody had another pair that I used to trade too. I think they said, where was it? Was it this one? Oh no, it wasn't this one. I'm trying to remember. I should have sworn I thought I seen it, but I did not. Okay, it is what it is. EuroCAD, guys. EuroCAD. We tapping in EuroCAD. We are dropping. We are going down. What this is a minor pullback to still drop to the downside. If y'all actually see, we just did a whole liquidity phase, a longer, a deeper one for sure. But this is it right here. Okay, guys, I'm about to tap out on GJ. Before my broker tell me we ain't hit TP. All right, I'm tapping out GJ, y'all. I'm tapping out. I'm out. There was a nice little $300 off this trade. Right there, y'all see? Right here. 300 off that one. Hold on, y'all. I gotta post this. All right, yeah. All right, cool. Yes, sir. One win for the day. I like it. I like it. On a Thanksgiving. On a motherfucking Thanksgiving. I'm gonna definitely need y'all to smash this like button. We gotta get this to 200 likes. Like, it's just what makes sense. Just posted mine in Discord. Fire, man. I need all y'all to go ahead and smash that like button. I need all y'all to go smash the like button. We gotta get this to 200 likes. 200 likes. Why are you recording that one as a live trade? Because I called it out earlier. I said I was in this one. And I also posted this in the community. That's why y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if y'all not. Otherwise, y'all gonna be missing out. Or y'all really gonna be missing out because you're not fully tapped into what we got going on. That's why y'all need to join our free Discord. GJ is still an uptrend. It is tapping down off of this range. Once we start breaking this low, this is my highest point of the range. We start looking at we got a lot of liquidity build up, all of this here, honestly. So there's no telling where it can come and pull back. But once it pulls back, you will know based off momentum. That's the way you will know, right? Because momentum is your candlestick patterns. Momentum is the wicks that you see at the bottom of the candle, such and such. That right there is what you guys need for entries. I tell this all the time to a lot of my students. I do a 3 confirmation step. 3 confirmation step is all fucking fundamental technical fundamentals. It is waiting on market structure to break. Once market structure breaks, like this right here, that tells me, oh, we should be going up. After that, I wait on price to create its range. From this to there is my range. I wait for it to tap into a POI level. Once it does, I don't never just buy it just because it came in the level, because once you guys buy it, what if it comes down further? I actually wait on price action to tell me. I wait on the price action reaction, price action pattern, maybe double bottom, double top. That's when I actually start looking for that. But mostly I look for momentum. When I see a momentum shift, momentum reaction, momentum, all of that, right? That's when you see the wicks at the bottom. That's when you get your candlestick patterns from. So that's what I do, right? That's what I do. We ain't even hit 200 likes yet. There's no reason for me to even really. I could do this on my phone all day though. Y'all let me know when we hit 200 likes. It'd be funny sometimes when I do that. Man, it's cold where I'm at. Like, for real, for real. You said, I know y'all missed me spamming the chat. I have learned so much from you, Solo. I can't even lie. I'm so grateful that you, dang, I can't even see, decided to do these live streams. Thank you very much, or thank you so much. You are a blessing to many. I appreciate that. I had took the rest of the day yesterday after a big L on that UJ tank. No gems till we hit 200 likes. Right, exactly. No gems till we hit 200 likes. Okay, now that makes sense. Y'all tripping, thumbs up. Bro, can you show us the first step again regarding how market structure broke GJ? Yeah, I will once we get to 200 likes. Like this video. Yes. Solo, I'm gonna order some t-shirts with thumbs up. Oh, that'll be dope, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. What's the most money you made in one trade? One trade. I would. It's really crazy because I scalp a lot. It's kind of like you should say one day, you know. But in one day, I mean, believe it or not, for me it was actually 11,000. Right, I did in one day. But this wasn't trading Forex. This was trading something called synthetic indices. It's just like 20 times more volatile than NASDAQ. Think of NASDAQ on steroids. Crazy, right? It's like you either got to catch it at the right time or you got to wait. So I did 11,000 a day off that. Smash that like. Too many gems not to. Yeah, I know, right? I don't even just do this for fun. Well, let me say I do this for fun, but I meant to say I don't even just do this just to get in trades. I mainly do this with the knowledge of why I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? Can you explain how those synthetics work? Synthetic works. It's the same as Forex. It's just all algorithm. So it's like they can manipulate the fuck out that. That's the only scary thing about that. They 100% control that. They 100% control that. Changing people's lives. Thank you. Good work to those who liked. We got 200. Oh, we did. Dope. That's what's up. See, it doesn't take that long to hit 200. Doesn't take that long to hit 200. Let's see. Let's go get the likes up. Y'all don't realize I pay over $1,200 in courses. The knowledge he's giving out was the same shit I learned on a course that he's doing for free. That he's doing it for free. That's what's up, man. I gotta fucking make this bigger, man. It's just every time I make this bigger, I can't see my screen. Okay, cool. They got too much money. They can take the market where they want. Yep. That's probably why they don't allow it in USA, because once USA gets control of it, they gonna want, you know, it's gonna be some other stuff. Anyway, with GJ, like I was saying earlier, I always do 3 confirmation step. That's how I enter in every trade. When you guys see me live trade, call out a signal. That's my whole process. I don't like taking a trade right when it comes to like a order block or it comes to this and that. I'd rather just wait on price to tell me. That's really the only way to finesse it. You guys got to keep in mind, we are all fucking retail traders. At the end of the day, if somebody tells you you're not, if you have a smart money noob come to you and say, oh, you're a retail trader, I'm a smart money concept trader, just look at them and laugh. Just look at them and laugh. That's all I'm gonna tell you right now. Just look at them and laugh. I swear to gosh, just look at them and laugh, because they definitely are new to smart money concept. Basically, we are all fucking retail traders, and I say this all the time. We, as a retail, think about this. Smart money is becoming fucking. They are the same shit. It's just a branded name. That's all, guys. Y'all gotta keep that in mind. A lot of people, y'all get so caught in the moment, y'all don't realize what y'all really saying is like pointless. What I'm basically tapping into is that we are all retail traders. We cannot move the market. If we go to Walmart, if we go to Target, and if we go to a big retail store and we say, hey, I see this is $20. Can I get this for $5? They're gonna be like, we not a pawn shop. We don't negotiate price with you. What you see is what you get. Only time they will negotiate price is if they say they negotiate the price. Otherwise, you got to do what the fuck they tell you to do, which is buy it for $20. So if that's the case, can we do that with the market? Can we tell market right now, hey, drop your price 100 points? Are they going to do that? No, the fuck they not. So please stop it. For all my smart money concept traders in here that's noobs, I'm talking to y'all. I'm sorry. If y'all don't like it, y'all can exit out my video right now and say he talking too much shit about me. But all I'm saying, at the end of the day, we got to stop this. Oh, you a retail trader, you stupid or you dumb. It's just the way that you look at it. If you coming in here talking about, oh, you're a retail trader and I'm a smart money concept trader, I'm going to literally look at you and just laugh and block you, because I already know where this for to go. So I had to mention that because that's important to know. So we are all fucking retail traders. We can't move the market. So for that being said, my 3 confirmations, like I say, is I wait on structure to break right here, right? First and foremost, I really have more than 3 confirmation process, but even on a higher scale, it's still the same thing. Just to break it down, I do a top-down analysis. I ask myself, what's the overall bias, right? And once I figure out that it's going up or going down, I start determining my moves on a smaller scale. So on a smaller scale, I wait on 3 confirmation. I wait on break of structure. A lot of y'all call it change of character, market shift, whatever you want to call it. But market broke to a high, right? Elliott wave move too. Once it breaks that high, market pulls back, but it's pulling back from a previous range. You got to find that range. That range will only be found once you know the minor low has broke, or internal low, whatever y'all want to call it. After internal low is broken, that's your range from this high to this low. Once that range is found, you look for those POI levels, midpoint and extreme. Midpoint is 50% in, and extreme is anywhere from, if you're using a fib retracement, it can be anywhere from the 618 all the way up to the 88 or the 100. Just got to look for it. Once you see it, all you got to do is wait on market to tap in there. Once it taps in there, that's when you start looking for the other two confirmations, price action pattern and or more on the price momentum. Y'all have no idea what kind of programs Real Smart has. They see you buying and selling in real time. Man, y'all don't understand how the algorithm is. Algorithm don't see the market like how we see it. When I actually like really got into understanding trading floor back in the day and all that, they have like, y'all might know there's a couple indicators out there like called colors, right? There's like colors. What they see is this. The darker the color is, right? The darker the color gets, the more they know there's money resting in there. The darker the color is, the more. That's liquidity. Right here. This is all liquidity. So for us, we see it as a low or high. But for them, they just see it as a darker area to trade. And they're going to tap into that. So, yeah, man. So it's crazy. It's really crazy. I feel like if we all can get our eyes, if we all can get knowledge of seeing how it's really traded out there in the streets, of actual smart money trading, like institutional banks, algorithms, and all that, yeah, y'all would definitely have a different perspective in trading. Y'all gonna probably be like, what the fuck, because it's a completely different game. And it's crazy because brokers actually know where your stop loss is at and your TP is at. This is why I never like putting stop losses in my broker. Whatever broker I trade, I don't, because they can actually do that. They can actually like adjust a couple pips away over your stop loss, while some probably ain't hit. Some probably did, some probably didn't. That happens. So when I'm actually trading, I mentally have my stop loss set on TradingView, but when I go on my broker, they don't even know. I don't even really put my TP level there either, because it will hit the TP but never actually take me out. I only use the stop loss when I'm away from my computer, and when I do it, like when I do trade it, I honest to God do it probably like 8 pips below than what I originally think it's going to come to. Like if my TradingView stop loss is here, I'm going to do 8 pips on my broker because I know how they is. You know what I'm saying? Brokers can't move the market, but sometimes brokers cannot move the market, but they can change the spreads, which basically means they can move the internal of, because really what's going on is I was actually looking in the process of starting my own broker, and there's a lot to it, right? But you will have, so there's something called, just to make this simplified, you have to buy a service where you can get all of these different symbols and pairs to trade, basically liquidity, right? So they have control to move it in a way where they this is like they're moving the market, but they're not. It's literally the spreads it's the spreads that they're going to hit you with, right? That's quote unquote was what they're saying, but in theory or in reality is more so like, nah, they definitely are going to tank it like 2 extra pips because they're going to tell you, oh, it was a spread. Like, nah, that's not really what's going on. They can temporarily cause a spread surge. Is that why I feel stop loss, feel insecure? Yeah, that's why I get scared with DeVry, with the synthetic indices, because they control that shit 100%. I actually don't even know if DeVry owns synthetic, or I don't know what's really the back end of it. But all I know is 100% algorithm, and I know that they can code that shit however they want. So the moment that, and this is real fucking facts, when all these people post all these different strategies on how to trade DeVry, like synthetic indices, they watching that. They are watching that, and they know like, oh, okay, this is hot. The moment that video gets 100K views, everybody's trading that way. They know they're gonna go against that way. That's why sometimes that shit can be scary. Because I trade synthetic the same way I trade this, But sometimes when I trade synthetic the same way I trade this, it's like, what? Like sometimes you see price telling you, like, you will literally see momentum on synthetic, but then it will not react off it. It's just because it's all man-made. Well, I mean, this is all man-made too, but what I really mean is that they control that. It's just like me if I was to start my own like Bitcoin. If I was to start my own currency, right? If I start my own currency like Bitcoin, and I can control it, like all you guys see me doing in the back end typing while I'm laughing at everybody, yeah, that's scary. That is scary. But anyway, I'm looking at GJ to see if there's actually another another re-entry. We see that we got a level here. We got all these levels here. So let me remove that. Let's just put a big box there and see what happens. GBP up. We got some stuff happening. Nice, nice, nice. We just took liquidity out to the highs first. Excuse me, and the liquidity out to the lows. What's going on with this one? It is going up though, y'all. We are going up. We got resting liquidity down here, resting liquidity up there. This one's gonna be interesting. But if y'all look closely, we have a range from this high to this low. I do see an extreme there. Maybe I can see another. All of this right here, I'm looking to see what happens. We did tap up first to grab liquidity. So we did tap up first to take liquidity out, which basically means that we got to take the liquidity lows out, which we are now. But it has to tap into a POI level, which if you guys look right there, that is a level of interest. So I want to see it tap down further into here, into roughly what we're looking at 79140, and I kind of want to see what happens. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna look for some buys once we come tap in here. So let me put an alert here. Yeah, whoever created Bitcoin, they some people said it's somebody, I can't remember, but I don't know. I don't think I would never tell. If I was to create that shit, you would never know it would be me. Just know. It's crazy though how somebody actually created something, and now it's worth something, and now it's a currency now. Like, that's crazy, right? That just goes to show, like, damn, imagine if we could do, anybody here that's right now watching can definitely code something and turn it into something where it can be worth something. Yeah, I don't believe it's, I mean, it could be him, it couldn't, I don't know. I code, yeah, you know what? There's this YouTuber, Bizzo, what's his name? He created some cryptocurrency, and then that cryptocurrency was worth a lot of money when he made his YouTube video. And he made a whole YouTube video on how he did it. I thought that was unique. That just goes to show, like, all you gotta do is just have everybody. You just gotta make it meaningful. Just it's really just about branding. At the end of the day, you gotta have an influence. You gotta influence people. If you can influence everybody that, hey, my code that I just created, called the I'm gonna call it Neil coin, just because you said I code. My coin is worth a lot of money, but at the end of the day, it's like you gotta make people just feel like how you feel with it. You know, it's pretty dope though. It's pretty dope how that shit works, or how this world works. They said it can turn physical service into digital. Then you made it. Yeah. That is a fact. Yep. Yeah, you could definitely turn it into meme coin. But they gonna end up calling that a scheme, because really a scheme is when you have no back end behind it, I guess, right? It's just like, hey guys, just join, but there's no reason on why they joining. They just because it's making money. The states don't like that, but I'm pretty sure a lot of other countries don't mind that. Just the states. If the states can't have control, no one can have control. If the feds cannot get control of your coded coin, no one can. Greed is a motherfucker here. Yeah, they calling it rug pull, pump and dump coins, all of that stuff. Euro yen, what's going on with euro yen? Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Let me do 5 minute. I'm gonna stay on the 5 minute for entries, and then might tap in lower. Art just tapped into our area, so we're gonna be paying attention to that too. But we got our eyes open on euro yen, right, y'all? We got our eyes open on euro yen. Waiting on momentum. What about GJ? We got re-entry coming with this one soon. We tapping into. We already tapped into our POI levels. Just kind of gotta wait to see what happens. Okay, it's looking nice. If we can get momentum to tell us to buy, cool. And I want to see it on the 5 minute. So y'all keep your eyes open on euro yen. This one we might just wait, but this one also we could see some re-entries too again. My solo bot I created is telling me we should buy US 30. Let me make sure that's accurate. I just want to see something. I don't even have it on here. Yeah, no, it's really consolidating right now. Okay. I'm in short for GJ. um Seems like we can re-enter. Have you been to Florida? Yeah, I've been to Miami. I ain't been nowhere else yet. You said you can see why I shorted. Or I don't know if you're talking about me. I know I gotta go there. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna be looking for some entries on GJ, and year or yen. Really, these two has got my interest more so. You plan not to trade for the remaining of the week? Okay, I feel you. I don't know. Today I feel real calm, so I just know there's no news today. Yesterday was all over the place. That's what got me like a little iffy. But I think we still came out with only one trade, right? Don't want to risk losing gains on holidays. Facts. Yeah. Slow liquidity because of Thanksgiving. Yup. That's why I'm not trading any USD pairs right now. It's too much. It's too much liquidity going to be built up. Liquor is never low on Thanksgiving. DeVry must control. Yeah, DeVry controls it all. Whoever actually managed the synthetic indices, yes, they can manipulate the fuck out of everybody. That's why I don't really care for it no more. But yeah, you can make a shit ton of money with it. As I definitely have. That was my biggest flex with Forex for sure. Happy birthday, Salon, everyone. Bishop, happy birthday to you. That's the first. I ain't never heard nobody say birthday. No, I'm not in. I got out of GJ, but I think there's some people still riding GJ because of what I had said earlier, or maybe it's a Missouri thing. Gotcha. This gonna be a nice trade, y'all. I'm gonna actually tap in on a 2 minute. I don't know. We'll see, man. I'm gonna tap between a 5 and 2 minute with this one. Cause this wick is beautiful, but it ain't enough. I need another wick. I just need something else to tell me that this is it. Otherwise, I can go on a lower scale, wait for a break of structure, come in range again. Yeah, do I ever try trading binary options? I actually started I started with binary options before I got into Forex. Okay, 2 minutes doing some moves, but this ain't enough buying power for me. Especially seeing, this is what I mean by momentum, guys. It's not just looking at 3 candles. It's not just looking at 2 candles. It's looking at, I talk about this, and only few of y'all know this, but it's looking at the momentum flow and the momentum zone. It's another word for a trend and consolidation. Just think of it all as momentum. All of this is my momentum flow, and this is my momentum zone. Momentum flow, we got a lot of sellers in the market. So if I was to compare this right here with this, who's winning? Sellers still. So this is why I say this is when you still should start looking for PA patterns and then momentum again, and then boom, enter. So I'm not trading any USD pairs. Look at dollar. It ain't really doing much. Not in my opinion. Now with this one, this is different. I'm at GBP. No, I'm not. Yeah, thank you. No, I'm not in anything right now. Right. Yeah. British art ain't showing any buying pressure right now. Exactly. So this is why I'm not in it right now. I was telling you guys what I was waiting on for those that's tapping in now. Excuse me. I'm talking about momentum, and I'm actually waiting to see momentum. Like, I know a lot of y'all would have said, "Oh, E, I thought you said you trading golf for candles." I do, but that's not enough. If I was to compare these 3 candles actually with my momentum flow, all of this, y'all clearly see that the sellers are still strong. So for me, what I like to see is price to come back, start telling me that, oh, we got PA pattern going on, then more reaction with momentum to go up, and then I buy. Because this wick right here ain't enough buying power for me compared to this right here. This is what I talk about all the time with momentum. Somebody said your face tells me you're in a trade. How the hell can you tell somebody in a trade by looking at their face? What? I ain't never heard of that. Oh my gosh, man, y'all crack me up. Every day I hear something new. So I must have showed the worry face or something. I must have showed the worry face. That's funny. This is what we about to do. Oh shit. Is this yeah, guys. There goes the buying pressure for sure. With GJ. Goodness, that's what's up. You can put your stop loss below this low. Look for a 1-on-1 trade. My 1-on-1 trade is aligning with this high. Um, yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enter on this one. I'm gonna go do another entry, and I'm taking mine to. I gotta change this. Yeah, a lot of people say the biggest thing when it comes to trading is I get in too early, I get in too late. That's because, and that's the number one thing I ask every student of mine. It's like, what's your goal? What you trying to look? I always enter too late or enter too early. Bet it's momentum. You don't understand momentum, and then you got everybody else telling you, "Oh, momentum don't mean nothing." Like that's why, you know, yeah, you just not gonna succeed anyway. Like I said, momentum is the candlestick patterns, right? That's cool and all, the candlestick patterns, but that limits you to only knowing the candlestick patterns. What you really want to master is momentum. Because with momentum, you're not focusing on 3 candles, 2 candles, 4 candles. You're focusing on all of this, right? You're looking left, basically, but you're not looking left for structure, which is like key levels or POI levels and order blocks. You're actually looking left at actual price, and a lot of people don't understand this. They don't. They hear me say this all the time, but they truly don't understand what I mean. You have something called momentum zone, which is correction, and you got something called momentum flow, which is your trend. You compared your oranges and apples together. Really, you just look to see who has more, and you go off that. So right now, we see that the momentum flow is strong, right? So yeah, people will be like, "Oh, can I enter now because we got an engulfing candle now? I see we getting an engulfing candle, wick rejections." Yeah, you could. However, like I said, I still know market's still gonna come back down because of my momentum flow. We still see how many sellers are in the market right now. If you were to do calculations, you would see that there's more sellers still. So we need to see a reaction of sellers just can't take control, and this ain't it, and that ain't it. My stop loss, I'm looking for it to be around these lows, 167.578, roughly around these lows. But we gonna see, cause we got so much liquidity. If I get stopped out, I know why. I mean, well, clearly it shows it that we just got a lot of liquidity built up, so it can even come further down. But at this point, I just see buyers are in right now, so this is momentum right here that I'm referring to. So I'm gonna be riding this jump, and we're just gonna see what happens from there. I appreciate that, bro. Been doing this for a long time, and that was my only problem. Wow, that's what's up, man. Glad to hear that. Any book recommendations? Maybe for momentum trading. Honestly, I haven't really tapped into any momentum trading books, but I heard trading in the zone is a really good one. I haven't even got that one. I've been tapping into a lot of psychology books, overall psychology books, like mental stuff, like not mental stuff, Y'all can think I sound crazy. What I mean is like more spiritual side, right, of books. Matter of fact, I got a book category right now. I'm gonna tell y'all. I got Think Like a Monk. I'm typing in that book. I love that book. I got The Psychology of Money. Wonderful book. Power. Laws of Power. 48 Laws of Power. I got a couple other books I can't see. How to Influence People. My favorite book when it comes to financial is Rich Dad Poor Dad. Think Like a Millionaire is another good book. So yeah, I've been tapping a lot of books, y'all. I got a lot of Audible books. Like, geez, I got so many books. I just been really tapping into of just like knowledge. I feel like with trading is more mental. So I just really like, a lot of traders probably don't teach this because they might not see it. But I'm starting to kind of understand that I know for sure it's all momentum, right? It's definitely all momentum, but I feel like, how can I put it? I feel like with trading, you got to really understand your mental side within yourself, right? And it goes hand in hand with a lot of other things, but I feel like y'all should start tapping into other books that's not tied to trading. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, man, a lot of y'all don't even know I do yoga every day. That's one way I kid you not, yoga controls my anxiety, which helps me in the trading world. This is why I feel calm alone than before when I am in a trade and watching a trade. Before, I couldn't even do this where I get in a trade and somebody watch it. I mean, sometimes I still don't watch the trade all the way, right? But I couldn't do that before. And I was always anxiety's high because I'm like, what, and I'm all over the place. So, man, yoga definitely calms my nerves, all of that stuff. I like doing a lot of that, right? But tapping into, start tapping into a lot of the mindset books, like mental aspect of everything. And y'all will see the difference, I promise you. Trading needs a strong mind. I 100% agree. Trading needs a strong mind. Do you do yoga before or after after I trade? I do it actually after I trade. Meditation helps too. Yeah, I was gonna say that. I haven't really tapped into it. That's why I'm tapping into a lot of these books, because I want to deeply learn how to do all that too. See, you said my first time 200K account went down to 500 in a day. I thought I was having a heart attack. Man, I'm telling you, them days happen. That's that mental right there. But the thing too about trading is it needs a strong mind. It definitely does. And I always say that if you guys are trying to make money fast on Forex trading, you're not going to succeed. If you literally quitted your job knowing that you're still trying to get into trading, you're not going to succeed. You're not. Because you too focused on trying to make money quick with Forex, so you're going to force yourself in every opportunity that you think exists, but you don't, off of your ideas or off of your trading plan. So I'm telling y'all all of this right now, but I know a lot of y'all don't care to listen to this. And this is why the ones that don't care, I'll be honest with y'all gonna have a problem. Y'all might know it already, but y'all not actually implementing it. It's a different when you actually take action. I feel like, truthfully, I can say this because I've been profitable and y'all see it, you know? And I'm not just talking just to talk. It's all about mindset. It's not about your skill. It's not like, why the fuck there's so many strategies out there that works? A lot of great ass strategies out there with indicators and not. It's not about this. It's not about the strategy. It's about your mindset of how you enter and how you exit. Because I promise you right now, somebody's going to enter trade because they see it's going up. Rather than me, I'm not in it because it still doesn't apply with my rules. Everybody's listening to me right now knows that I'm not in this trade right now. But then somebody right here, and I don't know who you are, but I know 99.9% you probably took this trade because you seen it going up. And you're like, whatever, I'm going to ride it. But the moment, let's say the moment this trade goes this way, you're like, fuck, why did I get in this trade? I should have took profit here. I should have just got out here. I shouldn't even got in the trade. That's the mindset I'm talking about. Rather, if you can just stay fucking disciplined, follow your trading plan, you're solid. You know what I'm saying? You're solid. Everybody's talking about look at GJ. Yeah, I see it's going up. Let me put an alert right here though, because I know my broker. I know multiple brokers. So yeah, y'all, we in the blue right now. But I'm putting an alert there to tell me when to get out of my broker. Can we buy now? Solo GJ. No man understands 100% what you are saying based on personal experience of mine. No man, I understand 100%. Oh, got you. Golly, man, I can't see. That's so funny when you say, I bet someone's buying it because they seen it going up. Was everybody when they first started. Yeah, that is everybody when they first started. And that's why I'm literally saying, man, don't just buy because it's going up. I'm trying to tell y'all that's right there. That's for my traders that say I'll always enter in late. That's majority of y'all saying I enter in late because y'all buying it when it's already up. And then for my people that enter in early, y'all, and this is not all people, but this is majority where once it comes into maybe a level, y'all just instantly buy it. Or once y'all see one little candle, y'all instantly buy it. That's the early. The best way to do it is really just waiting on your setup. And I promise you, guys, everybody has their own setup. And that's why I'm saying, like, everybody's setup is different. But whatever your setup is, wait on it. And I know your setup ain't, oh, I'm going to just buy it once I see it tap in here. You got to have a whole structure setup, right? I'm not trading gold. I'm not trading any USD pairs. It's a holiday for USD in the States. 100% correct. So I just really hope all of y'all that's watching, man, is really understanding that trading is just not the skill. It is the skill, sorry. It's not the strategy. It's the mental behind it. Because y'all know, man, we all can have the same strategy. I can tell y'all my strategy top down. And I'll be like, all right, guys, let's all put $100 in our account. And I promise you, at the end of the day, we are all walking out with a different amount. Blown the account or not. That's because it's not the strategy. It's you. Y'all should know this based off how y'all see everybody else with the same strategy. And y'all realize, well, why come he didn't make money? Why come he made money? So yeah, like I said, we're waiting on GBP ought to do what the fuck we wanted to do originally, tap back down. And that's kind of what we see right now. Cool. I just want to see it tap down to my extreme now. Let's see. Yeah, I want to see it tap down in my extreme and then I'm in. Once I start to see buying pressure. Happy Turkey Day, Cody. Michelle, yeah, let's get the likes up, man. Let's get the likes up. A lot of great information is being spread out to all of us. I need everybody to do me a favor. Let's go ahead and tap that like button while we wait. Sometimes it's 20% strategy, 80% you. Strategy does make a difference between, depending on how transparent and accurate it is. It can be 50-50. So I agree with you with the strategy. Like I said, strategy, it can be, is more so the mental than the strategy. But every strategy works. There's a strategy for a trend. There's a strategy for correction. Did you guys know the easiest strategy that you can use with an indicator when market is going sideways is the RSI or the stochastics? Every time it's oversold, overbought, you can almost just guarantee it's going to go the opposite way because it's in correction. That's one strategy itself. That's one strategy itself. Another strategy, pull out a moving average. These are all strategies I teach in my my beginners elite course that I still got out right now, but I am updating it now too, so y'all gonna see a new improved section of the elite course coming actually the end of this month. But there's a moving average strategy. Y'all might know the crossover. Hell, that's a good strategy. What was it, the 50? I think, I can't remember. But there was a strategy I had. Every time market crossed over, I knew that it was a downtrend. Every time it came back to my RSI, I used my RSI as moving resistance and moving support. I waited on momentum. I waited on some type of candlestick to tell me to sell it, and I just look for a simple one-on-one. That's a strategy. That's a great strategy too, right? There's a fucking lot of strategies out there, and they all work for different things. So like I said, it's the strategy, but it's also more of your mental. What y'all want to master is how to trade anything, right? And once y'all master that, and then y'all should have the rest based upon how you guys handle your mental. Right, exactly. Every strategy technically works, but it doesn't give you the confidence because of how wishy-washy it can get. Yeah. Right. That's exactly what I was kind of saying. Like, it's just every strategy works because it's all different things, works for different reasons. But it's just like, when do you know if that's a strategy that's going to work? And that right there, yes, that is it. But that's why I say y'all got to just stick to one strategy. If y'all want to stick to one strategy, it's cool. But it's best to know the fundamentals first. And then whatever else y'all want to do is on y'all. But also trading strategy is also not always true. This is why trading can be so fucking subjective, because Cody says that right there. He said risk management is a big part. You can have the most shittiest strategy, but if your risk management is on point, you will still be winning. It's so many variables in trading right now, man. It's like, yo, what? This can work, that can work. This is why y'all would think one trader's right, another trader's right, another trader's wrong, another trader's right, but that trader's right, while the other person think that trader's wrong. Because everything can be, it's too many variables for us to fucking calculate. It's just whatever fuck works for you, works for you. Every strategy works according to the risk management. Exactly. Exactly. Trading is never about one thing. Say that again. I want you to type that in again. Say that again. And put that all in caps. Why y'all didn't inform me about yen, euro yen? I told you guys to let me know what's going on with euro yen. Fuck. We missed out on this one. We missed out on that one, buddy. That's beautiful though. Ain't none of y'all put me and told me that. AE, look at y'all. Tell me look at everything else, but the one I actually told y'all to let me know about was this one. It's all good though. We got this one in the fact. Oh shit, damn. All right, hold on, y'all. Oh yeah, we up today. I'm out. We up $600, pretty much $700 for the day. I'm out. I tapped out again. These are my two entries, here to here. I'm out. Bro, I told you not to get distracted by the chat. You did, man. You did. You know what? You did. I can't say nothing to that. You did. It is a good day today because we ain't got no news today. This is what happens when we have no news today. Or when news is extremely mellow, light. We would have had another winner if we would have tapped in this one. This is, oh, all right, y'all, hold on. See, it was about to hit. See, it was about to happen again. I'm gonna wait on this 2-minute entry, and we got another entry. I'm tapping in. Damn, though. If we tap in, though, my stop loss got to be here. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I'm tapping in, but I'm just looking for my TP. TP is still resting at that high. Beautiful. I don't even have this on my. Yeah, I just got in it. Fuck it. I'm in G. Let's see how this one plays out. What? I cannot see this far now. 100. TP2 is up here. Oh, I'm gonna get in another trade. Whoa. These spreads is pretty high. Nope, never mind. I'm staying in one trade. Spreads is high. The spreads is high right now with this. I'm staying in one trade. Goodness gracious. I should have looked at the spread before I even considered this one. What the fuck? If I was going to have it, but my spread's too high. Mine's is, what? Yeah, my spreads is high. And Hankel Trade has really low spreads, so I'm anxious to see what other brokers' spreads are. We got 2 winners for today because of that re-entry. We are doing good today, y'all. I was not expecting this. But hell, there's a lot of shit I don't expect in trading and it happens. What is your question? Everybody, tap that like button. Let's get this to 350 likes. Let's get this to 350 likes. I need everybody to tap that like button. Let's get this to 350 likes. We're going to have to calculate our pips in the end. My leverage that I have on my account is 500. What's going on? Y'all, we got to tap that like button. Let's go ahead and get this to 350 likes, everybody. No, I'm not trading any USD pairs today. I'm not trading any USD pairs today. We missed out on this one, but we possibly could see another entry. I did not know how fucking big the spreads were with this one, but we in it though. I need all y'all to go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Let's get this to 350 likes. Do I look at yeah? Nah. I mean, it might be volatile. I haven't really tapped into it. I don't think I ever really traded. Yeah, I'm not trading any USD. I'm here solo you the man. I appreciate it. You had a great question. Do you use only 1 to 2 setups consistently? Like specifically, mainly, really? Okay, so let me break this down. Because when we talk about like consistent, I do have very consistent consistency when it comes to my strategy, right? I have, it's just really the 3 confirmations I look at, right? Um, Market structure, price action, and momentum. That's basically what I look for entries. Now, when we get into more of the risk management that you were saying, um, that's also something that you want to ask yourself based off of your account growth. If your account starts to grow, you still want to risk 5%, then you figure out what lot size that is. So yeah, definitely when you are consistent, you can have very profitable days. But the thing about that is, only way for you to have that consistency is to have your trading plan written down. Without the trading plan, then it's kind of like, what you gonna do? You like all over the place now, and that's where trading can be overwhelming because you don't know what you're looking for. It's a plan. It's just like that in life. You need that in life. If you want to start a business, you need a business plan. Otherwise, how's your business gonna be successful? Trading is more of the person than the skill, but it can be the skill too. It's all above. Just like what my man said earlier, something about trading is not just one thing. So I want y'all to really take that in your head. Trading is not just one thing. So if y'all were to ask a question, what's that one thing that made you successful in trading? Everybody's gonna be like, it's really not just one thing, but I mean, it seems like you really want to know risk management. So then when y'all really try to master risk management, y'all like, well, that doesn't work. Then y'all get into the strategy. Then the same thing. All right. Anybody doesn't trade Euro CAD? Or is this just something I just put in here for no reason? I noticed this is very structured. I like that. I need to really start paying attention to a lot of these other pairs. I'm getting liquidity build up in the lows. Even on a smaller scale, we got liquidity build up on these highs. Kind of want to see what happens from here. A lot of streams. It's laid back and chill. I appreciate it. I ain't never trade EuroCAD. Me either, but let me see how the spreads look first before I get to going talking crazy with this pair. Nowhere near as bad as GBPJPY. It's still high though. It's actually average about the same as gold. That's good. Okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, check that real quick. I know. I have to. Cause when I looked at, let me go to dollar. Cause dollar, I think dollar has the most craziest spreads. I gotta look at my other broker for that one. Man, dollar was on some other stuff. Dollar. I mean, it ain't that bad. It just seems bad. It's Bitcoin that has the ridiculous spreads. 6,700. Bitcoin always has crazy spreads, so I don't trade it no more. Thoughts on setting buys or sell limit? Yeah, I do that. Yeah, I do that. But watch me, it's wrong. GA looking weak. Watch me, it's wrong. You said, but wait, what you say? But watch me be wrong, and it'll shoot up. Ha ha ha. Yeah, it's consolidating. Just patience, I guess. I know, man. I need a whole new roster of pairs too, cause most of mine is USD. Like now, I'm tapping in. Look, USD CAD, Euro USD, USD Yen, Nasdaq. Considerably, could be USD. Gold. Like, yeah, I need to diverse my catalog for sure. So I'm really starting to look at these, and these look really cool. Euro CAD, Euro Yen, tapping back down. And nobody still ain't tell me Euro Yen was tapping down. See, I'm putting an alert because y'all playing me. Well, actually, you know what? No, we're not going to do that, guys. Because it is consolidating right now. Greg, I determined what to go for Canada trade based off the momentum of everything. Yo, Solo, we got to collab off a song. Hit me on my Instagram. Right here. Follow me on Instagram, The Real Solo E. For everybody else that has an Instagram, follow me on Instagram and shout me out. I will be posting a lot of giveaways on my Instagram only too. So y'all definitely want to tap in on my Instagram. What's the stop loss I got set for this one is roughly set around 79084. Theoretically where I got it set to. You said what has liquidity? Oh. Yeah, it's got all this liquidity. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. All these, all of this up here. Yeah. We definitely gonna burst out of that. We definitely gonna burst out of that. And then we got how I trade from my phone. I don't really like to do too much on my phone. No, we not trading. We are not trading any USD pairs. I'm gonna have to, for everybody that's tapping into my stream, I'm gonna have to put no USD pairs today. I know I got on my title and I should have changed that shit, but yeah, we just can't. There's just nothing happening. I thought there would have been something happening, but there's just nothing happening. Do you have all the live calls on your VIP Discord? We don't have to follow your live stream. Yeah. Why you want me to look on a 15-minute? We getting a lot of these lows taken out here. I mean, not lows, sorry. We getting a lot of the sellers to get taken out in our area here. Somebody said explain yourself. I see you trade on your phone. I can't do that. I mean, I can't mark up my phone. It's like, cause I'm so used to big screen. For those that's still riding GJ, start moving y'all stop loss. Cause I'm pretty sure there's somebody here that might be riding this. We should have this stop loss at break even now. Yeah, GA better be shooting. Cause them spreads, man. Goodness gracious. I'm now seeing profit with GA. That's how big the spreads is. Fucking crazy. My TP is literally what I put right there. 1.79. Right there. The notes. I'm currently in GBP ought for a buy to 1.795000. And then I'm also looking at no, I'm not interested in that. Still in this one. We still riding this one. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Appreciate all you do for us. No, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. So I really need Chart Prime, but there's a problem of the payments. What's going on with it? You said that's why I don't mark up the bigger picture, because it's hard to do that. That's why I learned to trade in a moment and not far left. Ah, that's smart. That is true. That is true, actually, if you think about it. Trading on the phone, you don't have to worry about looking too far out because you're going to get caught in the lingo when you really need to be looking in a moment, especially as a scalper. That makes perfect fucking sense. I know a lot of people ask me all the time where my TP's at, so I'm going to just start doing this to make things easier for those that just don't understand. So there we go. Yeah, so guys, if y'all haven't heard of Chart Prime, that is a indicator I actually do use on my phone, or a bot that I actually use on my phone. I talk about this all the time, where it kind of gives you really good accuracy. For instance, right, we look and we see a possible reversal down, right, and then once we get that strong downtrend or down move, that's when I start selling, right. Usually I'll use this after I do my markups on my phone, but not, I don't use this all the time. Obviously I never use this in a live since we took a trade. Well, we should do it one time just to show you guys. But every time I see a possible reversal up, I know it's going to do a liquidity grab. Boom, all of that there. And right when I see the uptrend, that's kind of like when you guys can enter and just take a simple one-on-one trade. If you guys want to get it, it is called chartprime.com. You could use the code. I do have a code. Link in the description. You want to make sure you tap into it. Market Oracle is what they have, but I promise you they got a lot of really good other dope ones. Support and resistance, peak seekers, I never used that one. Market Oracle, I like that one the best. They got an isolator, which is like a replica of an RSI stochastic. They got a chart pattern one. For those that trade wave patterns, they talk about symmetricals and all that. And then they got a candlestick pattern one too. So it's really good for those that still tapping and want to learn and want to trade at the same time and make money. It's a great indicator to use, so you can definitely check them out for sure. What you got? NASDAQ 100. I'm not trading NASDAQ right now. Unfortunately, it ain't doing much that I want it to do. It's just too choppy for me. It's really too choppy for me right now. It's too much liquidity going on. I can't really tell what's what. Is it worth upgrading TradingView on Pro and Premium? It's good to have the Pro version so you don't have to see all them damn ads all the time. But yeah, I mean, you can get more indicators if you use indicators. Yeah, I think it's worth it. The Premium, if you want to tap into all the other stuff they got with it, I think it's worth it too. I use the Premium only for the seconds. That's it. I even got a TP3. Didn't realize that. What do you think of? I'm not trading that. There's nothing going on with dollar too much for me. No, GA is just doing a range pullback. That's how I see it. I used to do like 50% in the favor, and then I put at break even. But I just let it ride at TP1 now, and then I either take out and then go from there. You said it tapped into an extreme off of what time frame you looking at? I see this, and this is my midpoint though. Unless you're talking about this range. But we gotta be looking at seconds though. Oh, you talking about from this one? Ah, yeah, it did tap in the extreme. Yep. We got two extremes. We got here, and we got here. I see what you're talking about now. But yeah, this is our midpoint off of this range. Great question. How I identify my range is simple. I look for a break of structure. So like, notice right here how this was our most recent high. We finally broke that high. So since we finally broke that high, this became my starting point of my range. And then same exact thing. If we can break out, really we did on smaller scale, but let's just be more logical here. This low right here, if we break out this low, this will become my highest point of this range. So that right there tells me this is my range, and that's why I start looking for the liquidity inside that range. So hold up. Let me stop this music. I need everybody to do me one favor. For everybody that is watching, I need all of you guys to hit the like button. Not one time, not two times, but 3 times. Why 3 times? Because I need 3 confirmations to enter in the trade. So I need everybody in my whoop to hit that like button. Thank you. Yeah. I appreciate y'all. Let me do this. I'm gonna put So yes, my 3 main confirmations are market structure, PA, and momentum. Those are my confirmations I look for before entering. Guys, I need all y'all to do me a favor. Go ahead, tap that like button again. We gotta get this to 400 likes. While we wait on our trades, I'm actually, hold on. I'm gonna be right back. I gotta go do something. But hold up. It's not gonna allow me to do it like that. But I could do this. Hold on, guys. There we go. Wait, I only got my TP1? All right, guys, I'll be right back. What's going on, everybody? We ain't even hit 400 likes. I see it. Blah, 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 blah. What is this pair? British Op is still not doing anything. Oh, I see what you see. Yeah, I see that too, you know. Definitely do see that too. No, we still in GJ for buys. Well, I mean, I tapped out, but if you're still riding, this all should be risk free at this point. How do I settings? Let's see. There we go. Oh, say you got one trade. You just need $52 to pass. Okay, okay. Well, you definitely tapped to the right live stream to learn the knowledge. Market is always frustrating. Yep, it definitely is. Like with this one is tricky because yeah, we tapping into our extreme. Just dropping to the floor like a stripper. The scenarios we have is so funny. Market is always frustrating. Let's get you right. We in there. He's like, that's what's up, man. I like hearing that. Right stream, real dope music, dope vibes. I'm just here for the Forex vibes. My psychology could get better, but all I had to do was just believe in myself and know my risk management. Yep. Yes. Agree with you, risk psychology. Yes, that's the key. Yo, the group market is frustrating. Oh. You new to this channel? Hey, welcome on board, man. Welcome on board. Definitely make sure you tap into everything else we got going on. All of that is in the description. Also, make sure y'all follow me at The Real Solo E. Stay in tune, tap in. You guys see what we got going on, long term, short term, all terms. I am not a robot. By now, we already in all these pairs. Well, sorry. Let me rephrase myself. I'm currently in this pair. It was way too big. Let's see. Will I come tomorrow morning? Tomorrow is off for my VIP Friday. Y'all see how choppy it is? It's because it's about that time. I'm curious to know how these pairs move in other sessions now, because I never really traded these except for today. I really want to put this in my catalog now. If you already tapped in the VIP, all of that information is going to be put in the VIP chat room. Yeah, you gotta hit me up on Instagram or just hit me up on Discord if you want to do USDT. Which is your win rate in a month? Like I said, average overall is usually about a 75 and up. What I believe what it was last year. Hello, I'm new here. Time frame 15 outside break. Yeah, it's a fake out. It's just retest or retracing. Basically, which one you talking about? Which pair? Oh, yeah, I'm looking at all of this right here as a retracement. All of this right here is a retracement. Of course, yes. News can definitely affect gold. Yeah, absolutely. If I was to send this out, how would this look? Let me see. Thanks for the great day. Solo blessing to all. Have to go. All right, Michelle. How much you risk per trade? 10%. My personal account. TradingView only allows certain brokers. Which do you use on it to trade? Directly from your. I just use whatever. I guess I don't know. I don't know. I don't really like look at the TradingView brokers more so. But when I'm trading my funded account, I'm only risking like 1%. Actually, yeah, 1 or 2%. Yeah, actually, it's 1 or 2%. I said that already. Tomorrow is for all of my VIP members. I'm on FTMO 10K max. Daily drawdown is 500 max overall. Risk percent. You should do 0.5 to 1. Solo, you messaged me on. Okay, dope. I'll check it out. If I haven't already messaged you back, I don't know what your Instagram name is. Yeah, everything is gonna be like really mellow, I guess, from now. As we see, not really much happening right now. I need all y'all do me a favor. I need everybody that is currently on my live stream to go ahead and join the Discord. That is free to join. There is a section on there. We do still have educational members in there. We do have one on here now. His name is Sway. You guys see Sway TV. You know, they will call out maybe ideas or signals sometimes in the free community too, you know, and whatnot. But we do have the VIP section and everything. We get tapped more into details of like trading and all that stuff. So you guys definitely want to, if you want to be a part of that. But yes, I need all y'all to tap in though, for sure. And then too, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It is Thanksgiving, guys, and I want all y'all to enjoy your days for sure. Okay, not looking at that. Just these two pairs for now. That's really it. Yes, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day because the market is dry. I am still in these 2 trades. I already will post it in the community. These are the trades riding from the live stream. It's just going to be dry from now on out, but these are some trades we just want to have patience towards and just see what happens, guys. So, you know, once we tap in, I already got the TP hat set for that. Once we start tapping into everything, we shall see what happens. But if y'all not, I need y'all to do me one favor. I need y'all to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we do go live every day except for Fridays, right? And then tap into the Discord. It's free, and I'm gonna keep saying that, right? It is free. And from there, guys, you know, we're gonna tap into more shit, more things, more whatnot, and go from there. So once again, y'all, I'm gonna just let y'all know one more time. Make sure you are tapped in on the live streams because I know a lot of people keep asking me when I go live. I do it every single day except for Fridays. All right. So once again, y'all take care. Peace. I love y'all. See y'all next week. Everybody else, see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
I took a L and I know that I can't flex. Cause wasted time is just one of the worst crimes. Your back when I thought that you had lines. Cause wasted time is just one of the worst crimes. You were my baby, I swear everything was cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches had me looking stupid. If it ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. Back and forth, we on that shit. I'm not really fucking with this. Papa's and a knife, forget. You would never understand. You were my baby, I swear everything was cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches had me looking stupid. If it ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I put in work so you know that I can't flex. But when you lose it, it's like it's the worst times. Got my mind on something like way back. I took a L cause I thought that we had next. You were my baby, I was tryna be cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches like I'm really tripping. Got me in my feelings, I'm about to do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me.